Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to get an oxygen suit in Fisch. To truly explore the vast underwater world, you'll need proper diving gear. This essential equipment allows you to breathe for extended periods beneath the surface, opening up new areas and discoveries. There are two main types of diving gear you can acquire: the basic set and the more advanced option. Let's dive into how you can get your hands on these crucial items and start your underwater adventures today. For those just starting their underwater journey, the basic diving gear is your first step. You can easily purchase this essential item at the Moosewood docks. It will cost you 3,000 cash, and in return, it grants you 150 seconds of precious underwater breathing time. Simply head over to the Shipwright non-player character, and you'll find the basic diving gear available for purchase right there, ready for your initial dives. If you're ready for deeper and longer explorations, the advanced diving gear is a significant upgrade. This superior set costs 15,000 cash, but it's well worth the investment, providing 230 seconds of underwater oxygen. You have a couple of options for acquiring it. One set can be found at the distinctive Red Buoy, and another is available from a hidden merchant located within the challenging Desolate Pocket region. Choose the path that suits your current adventure. Once you've acquired your diving gear, equipping it is straightforward. Simply select the item from your inventory, hold it in your hand, and then click your left mouse button to put it on. You'll notice your character wearing the mask and tanks. With the gear equipped, your oxygen bar will deplete much slower while you're underwater. To refill your oxygen, just swim to the surface, unequip your gear, and then equip it again. Happy diving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.